I did not go hiking this weekend, but I have to have a video because we have a winner for the Melly hoodie. So I think I'm just going to show a few pictures of waterfalls that are roadside. So if you have somebody little or disabled that would love to see a waterfall, these are very easy waterfalls to get to. 14 people in the drawing, so you have a good chance of winning. We're going to fold these in half, and my grandbaby is going to pull it out of the bucket. Okay, my grandbaby is ready to pull the name out. I'm going to see that we're mixing them up. You see the names. This is legit. If you look at my past videos, you'll see that I'm always giving stuff away. It's not to get subscribers. It's because I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. This is what you're getting. It's a Melly. Very hard to get. Come here, Cole. I want you to dig in there and give me one. Can you pick a piece of paper out of there and give it to me? One piece of paper. All right. Nancy Sennett Vernon. She is a YouTuber and Facebook Clifftops and Waterfall. You are the winner of the medium Melly. Congratulations.